Okay, let's take a look at something a little different, something we haven't looked at before, I don't think. We're going to look at a string quartet here. Okay, so this is just a couple measures from Mozart String Quartet in D minor, third movement. We're again kind of jumping into the middle of this, but I thought it'd be fun to get away from the four voiced things, even though I guess this is technically four voices, but it's not voices. These are four different instruments, and the piano music, and look at some actual like string music. So we have here just a couple measures of a Mozart string quartet. This is a very famous example for looking at augmented six chords. Let's hear it. Okay, just that much. Okay, before we dive into analyzing this, I want to point out a couple things about the string quartet score that might be unfamiliar to you. First of all, we have four different instruments, two violins, viola, which is like a big violin, and violoncello, which is a fancy way to say cello, which is like a really big violin. Take note of the clefs. This is one of the things that makes reading orchestra scores and string quartet scores and things a little tricky. Treble clef, treble clef. These are going to be normal. Bass clef, just like the left hand of the piano, right? Nothing weird. This funky symbol we may have looked at way back in the beginning of all of these music theory classes. This is what we call a viola clef. Sometimes we call it C clef. This is a whole different clef. So all the notes are different here. Like this is not a B sharp. The way to read this clef is look at where it kind of comes together at this little point right in the middle. That is going to be on C. Okay? So you're thinking, no, that's B. Nope, that's C now. So this middle line is C. Yeah, it makes it hard to read. It takes some getting used to. You can look at the key signature, right? We have a B flat, B flat. This is still a B flat. So where that is a B flat. If you go up one, that's C. So watch out for that. It makes reading these a little tough. I'll kind of translate for you, I guess, but as we analyze it. But so this is going to be F, E, D, C, D, E, right? So get used to it. I think that's it. Otherwise, everything else works the same. So we're going to analyze this, and we're going to find ourselves an augmented six chord, or maybe more than one. Who knows? Inside this thing. So let's dive in.